Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change your mobile number on WhatsApp. So if you uh if you have a new mobile SIM and now you want to convert your WhatsApp account to the new SIM without losing any WhatsApp messages and conversation, here's how to do it. First of all, go to your WhatsApp and tap on this three dot at the top right and tap on settings. Here tap on account and tap on change number. Tap on next and in this first box write here your current WhatsApp number and in the second box write your new number and then tap on next. Okay, I'm going to use a different number, a dummy number. And now to notify your WhatsApp contacts that you change or updated your WhatsApp number, you can enable this option, but I'm going to turning off this option and then tap on next or done. And tap on continue. And now you have to verify your new number. You will get a verification message or verification call to your new number. All you have to need just verify your number and your number will be changed. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.